we have tried Amazon S3 to SnowFlake data replication, and we have created the pipeline for the same. We are trying to create a bucket in the Amazon S3 account what you have created. So we are giving the bucket name. So region, we can select the nearest region. So we just moving to the next page. Just unchecking this, and we are giving access, grant access to all the. Okay, so we have created the bucket. So we need to upload the files which we are going to load into the table. So you're browsing in our Explorer and selecting the files need to be uploaded. So you're selecting 2 files. Clicking upload, it will upload the files here. So the files uploaded in this source side Amazon S3 bucket. So we are coming to the data stitch, and we are creating an integration. We are clicking that Amazon S3 CSV connector. So we are just giving a integration name which would come as a data warehouse schema in the destination. So we are going to give the same bucket name what you have created in that S3 account, as well as the AWS account ID for that profile. So that number we are going to give in that data stitch. So here we are going to give the search pattern by which it can search the files inside that bucket. Since we have given 2 files starting with the element, we are giving the format like this. So this is the table name. With the name with this name only, it will be creating the tables in the destination. So we are not giving the primary key and date specific things. We are just moving to the next page. So here and we are going to create a IAM policy in the test3 bucket. So clicking the policies, create policy, click the JSON, and what you have to do, you have to copy this JSON code and replace that code in the test3 with that code, and review policy. You have to just give some name to this policy and create it. Some description as well. So clicking create policy, it will create the policy with the name talent policy. So it's showing it has been created. So next role creation, likewise select role in the left side, stitch account ID, and paste in the account ID here, that external ID as well. I mean, you have to check that options, and you will get that prompt you have to paste there. So Here you can search the policy which you have created. Check it and next tags. So in this page you can give this role name in the data stitch. For that, create IAM role, give some description, and you can say click the create role and create this role. We can either search that whether it's created or not also. So in the data stitch we are just clicking check and save to test the integration whether it's working properly or not. So now when we refresh we are able to connect properly. So the table name what you have given in that settings, it's coming here with the columns what you have given in that CSV files. So we are just selecting whatever columns we need to be loading into that destination table. So we are going to the destination tab. So this is the host provided with the SnowFlake for our account. So the port number is given. So this TPL underscore database is what we have created there, the database name. So this is the warehouse name. So we can see that as well in that SnowFlake. Okay. So you're able to see here. So this is the role. Role is the account admin, which is also selected in that SnowFlake, where I can see that role account admin. So we have saved the settings. So moving to integration, checking whether the data from that file is extracted properly. It should be coming here within some time. We should refresh and check. So we're just checking whether the data is extracted. So it's showing success. So data extraction has been completed. Now we have to, in few time it may load the data into the table in that SnowFlake data rows. So we're just refreshing here, and meanwhile we'll also check in the SnowFlake whether some data is been loaded or not. So I'm just showing that CSV file. So I have uploaded 2 CSV files. So for each CSV file we have 30 rows. So we're coming back to that data stitch and checking whether that refresh have happened. So meanwhile here also we are checking. So you can see that schema got created with the name what we have given, that integration name, right? So that schema got created, Talent Army 3. So we are refreshing. So now you are able to see that loaded 60 rows to your warehouse. So what is the table name also it's showing. So we'll just check whether that data is loaded to just see. So it's showing 60 rows. So you have successfully loaded that two files into this table. So 30 plus 30, 60 rows been loaded in this table. So the data replication through this pipeline is successful as expected. So thanks for giving this opportunity to explore StitchData for data replication. Thank you.